Top 5 vegetable recipes to detox and boost kidney health. What if I told you that one of the easiest ways to feel better and boost your health is sitting right in your kitchen? No, it's not some expensive supplement or crazy detox drink. It's something you can find at your local grocery store: vegetables. And today I'm going to show you the top 5 vegetable recipes that can help detox your body and give your kidneys the boost they need. You've probably heard about how important kidney health is, but do you actually know what foods can help keep them in top shape? It's not just about drinking water or avoiding too much salt. In fact, there are some everyday vegetables that are powerful enough to help cleanse your body and support kidney function. So if you're looking for simple, tasty ways to feel more energized and support your kidney health, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and check out these amazing recipes. Number 1. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are one of the best vegetables you can add to your meals if your goal is to detox your body and support healthy kidneys. And the reason is much simpler than most people think. First, they are very low in potassium, which is important because too much potassium can put extra pressure on the kidneys and make them work harder than they should. At the same time, red bell peppers are full of flavor, so eating healthy doesn't feel boring or restrictive. They are rich in vitamin C, which helps the body fight toxins, reduce inflammation, and strengthen the immune system, all of which support kidney function. They also contain vitamin A, which helps protect organs and keeps tissues healthy, including kidney tissue. On top of that, red bell peppers provide vitamin B6 and folic acid, nutrients that help the body process proteins properly and support healthy cell repair, which is important for long-term kidney health. One of the biggest benefits of red bell peppers is lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Many trusted health articles point out that antioxidants like lycopene may help lower inflammation and reduce the risk of chronic diseases, which can directly benefit the kidneys over time. Red bell peppers are also a good source of fiber, which supports digestion and helps the body remove waste more efficiently, reducing the toxin load that kidneys have to filter. The best part is how easy they are to include in everyday meals. You can eat red bell peppers raw with a simple dip as a snack. Slice them into tuna or chicken salad for extra crunch, or roast them to bring out their natural sweetness, and use them on sandwiches or fresh salads. They work great chopped into omelets, added to grilled kebabs, or stuffed with lean ground turkey or beef and baked for a satisfying main dish. Red bell peppers combine well with other kidney-friendly foods like olive oil, leafy greens, onions, garlic, and lean proteins, making them easy to mix and match without much effort. Because they are low in calories, low in fat, and full of nutrients, you can eat them often without guilt. By adding red bell peppers to your routine, you're not just improving the taste of your meals, you're actively helping your body detox, supporting kidney function, improving digestion, and making a simple food choice that can have a big impact on your overall health over time. Number 2. Cabbage. Cabbage may look simple, but it actually offers many health benefits, especially for kidney health. With the natural phytochemical compounds found in cabbage, your body can better cope with free radicals, molecules that can damage cells and increase the risk of disease. Free radicals come from many sources such as food, pollution, and daily stress. But cabbage helps your body maintain balance and prevent cellular damage that can lead to serious problems. Importantly, many compounds in cabbage also help protect kidney cells from damage, support efficient kidney function, and prevent kidney-related diseases such as kidney stones or nephritis. This is why cabbage can be an important part of a diet for maintaining sustainable kidney health. In addition, cabbage is an excellent source of essential vitamins and minerals. Vitamin K helps blood clot, vitamin C boosts the immune system, and the fiber in cabbage aids digestion and helps the kidneys work more efficiently in filtering waste. Cabbage also contains vitamin B6 and folic acid, which help maintain cell function and reduce the risk of long-term health problems. With its versatility, cabbage can be easily incorporated into many dishes. Raw cabbage can be finely chopped for a crisp salad, or added to tacos for added freshness and crunch. When steamed or boiled, cabbage is soft and has a mildly sweet flavor, making it perfect as a side dish. You can add a little butter or cream cheese and sprinkle with pepper or caraway seeds for a simple yet delicious meal. Cabbage is also great when combined with other ingredients like bell peppers, carrots, and onions in stir-fries, or as a filling in soups and stews, in particular with a little olive oil, lemon juice, spices, and seeds. Cabbage makes a light yet nutritious salad that's good for kidney health. Regularly including cabbage in your daily diet not only provides fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, but also helps protect your kidneys, boost overall health, and maintain a healthy lifestyle. No need to worry about complicated preparation. Cabbage can be an easy, inexpensive, yet incredibly beneficial ingredient, especially for kidney health. Number 3, cauliflower. Many people view cauliflower as just a bland vegetable, but if you're interested in detoxifying your body and protecting your kidney health, it's an incredibly valuable choice. Cauliflower works silently but effectively in the body. Whether roasted, steamed, mashed, or eaten raw, this vegetable provides practical benefits for the liver and especially the kidneys. The highlight of cauliflower lies in its natural compounds that help the liver neutralize toxins. When the amount of toxins in the blood is reduced, the kidneys have a lighter burden in filtering and eliminating waste. In other words, cauliflower reduces the pressure on the kidneys, allowing them to focus on maintaining water and mineral balance, vital tasks for overall health. Not only that, cauliflower is also rich in fiber, helping the digestive system function more smoothly. When digestion is good, less waste and toxins accumulate in the body, and the kidneys don't have to work too hard. In addition, cauliflower provides folate, which supports cell regeneration, and vitamin C, which helps reduce inflammation and strengthens the immune system of internal organs, including the kidneys. This combination makes cauliflower one of the easiest foods to incorporate into a kidney-friendly diet without the need for supplements or strict diets. In terms of preparation, cauliflower is extremely versatile and suitable for a kidney-friendly diet. You can chop it up and eat it with hummus as a crunchy snack. Mix it into a fresh salad or lightly steam it, and sprinkle with spices like turmeric, curry powder, or black pepper for a warm flavor without adding too much salt. If you prefer a soft and creamy dish, cauliflower can be made into a dairy-free white sauce or pureed as a potato substitute, maintaining its smoothness while being lower in potassium, thus reducing the strain on the kidneys. Cauliflower is also very easy to combine with other kidney-friendly foods. When paired with bell peppers, leafy greens, or lean proteins like chicken or turkey, and a little olive oil, you have a satisfying meal that supports kidney function. Its reasonable price, easy availability, and ease of preparation make cauliflower an ideal choice for regular consumption. Including cauliflower in your daily diet isn't just about adding more vegetables. It's a natural way to support detoxification, reduce inflammation, improve digestion, and protect your kidneys long-term. Such small changes may not make an immediate difference, but over time they contribute to a smoother and more stable functioning of the body. And cauliflower is one of those vegetables that quietly does just that every day. If you're enjoying these recipes so far, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the rest of our healthy cooking tips. And if you have any questions or ideas while trying these vegetables, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what you think or help with any cooking tips. Number 4, garlic. Garlic is not only a spice that enhances the flavor of dishes, but also a silent helper for kidney health. The special thing about garlic lies in its natural compounds that have anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, helping the body reduce the burden of inflammation. A very important factor for those who want to protect kidney function long-term. When inflammation is better controlled, the kidneys can function more efficiently in filtering waste and maintaining balance in the body. Furthermore, garlic also helps improve blood circulation and control cholesterol. This is especially beneficial for the kidneys because a healthy circulatory system ensures the kidneys receive enough blood and oxygen to function properly each day. Another advantage is that garlic helps boost immunity, supporting the body and fighting off mild infections, which is very important because infections can put significant pressure on the kidneys if prolonged. Garlic is also very kidney-friendly, thanks to its rich flavor that helps reduce the need for salt. Just a little garlic is enough to make a dish delicious, thus limiting sodium, a factor that the kidneys work hard to process. Fresh garlic can be chopped and added to sauces, roasted vegetables, or light stir-fries. When roasted whole, garlic becomes softer, richer, and milder, and can be spread on bread, mixed into mashed potatoes, or warm cereals, making it both delicious and easy to digest. If fresh garlic is unavailable, garlic powder or pre-minced garlic is also a convenient option. They work very well as a salt substitute, keeping dishes flavorful without putting a strain on the kidneys. Just sprinkle a little garlic powder on stir-fried vegetables, rice, or salad dressing to add depth of flavor. Garlic pairs well with many ingredients such as tomatoes, bell peppers, zucchini, or mushrooms, especially when combined with olive oil or lemon juice. Just a small amount of garlic is enough to make a dish delicious without the need for heavy sauces. Regularly using garlic in cooking not only makes meals tastier, but is also a simple, natural way to support kidney health every day. A small, readily available ingredient. Yet it offers great value for those who want to eat well and live healthily from the inside out. Number 5. Onions. Onions are not only a flavorful ingredient, but they also play a crucial role in supporting kidney health. The characteristic pungent smell of onions comes from natural sulfur compounds, which help reduce inflammation and protect cells from the effects of free radicals. This is especially important for the kidneys, as prolonged inflammation can impair their filtering function over time. One of the most notable compounds in onions is creatinine, a powerful antioxidant linked to reduced inflammation and improved vascular health. When the circulatory system functions well, the kidneys receive a more stable blood supply, allowing for more efficient waste filtration. Importantly, onions are very low in potassium, making them easy to incorporate into a kidney-friendly diet without putting strain on this organ. In addition, onions contain chromium, a mineral that helps the body metabolize carbohydrates, fats, and proteins, reducing the workload on the kidneys in processing metabolic waste. Onions are also incredibly versatile in cooking, keeping kidney-friendly diets from becoming monotonous. Raw onions offer a crisp texture and mild spiciness, perfect for salads, sandwiches, or fresh salsa. When cooked, onions become sweeter, softer, and easier to digest, a great benefit for those needing a gentler diet. Sautéed or caramelized onions can be used with lean meats, grilled vegetables, or mixed into pasta sauces to enhance flavor without adding much salt. Another major advantage of onions is their ability to naturally enhance flavor, reducing the need for salt, a factor that the kidneys work hard to process. Just a few onions combined with garlic, bell peppers, or zucchini will give you a delicious, flavorful, yet kidney-friendly stir-fry. Roasted whole or sliced onions mixed with olive oil and herbs is also a simple yet nutritious dish. Thanks to their low costs, ease of storage, and ease of preparation, onions are an ideal choice for those who want to take care of their kidney health long-term without complicated recipes. Regularly, including onions in meals helps supplement antioxidants, minerals, and natural compounds that support body balance. Whether white, yellow, red, or sweet onions, each type offers its own unique flavor and contributes subtly but consistently to kidney health over time. So, there you have it, the top 5 vegetables that can really make a difference in your diet. From the sweet crunch of red bell peppers to the hearty, versatile cabbage, the mild power of cauliflower, the bold flavor of garlic, and the rich, savory taste of onions. Each one brings unique nutrients and benefits to your meals. The best part? These vegetables aren't just healthy, they're easy to cook, mix into your favorite dishes, and enjoy every day. Whether you roast, steam, sauté, or eat them raw, they all add color, flavor, and a natural boost that makes your meals exciting while helping your body stay balanced. Trying even a few of these recipes regularly can make your meals more interesting, give you more energy, and help you feel good about what you're eating. It's not about complicated diets or expensive ingredients. It's about simple, real food that works with your body. So, next time you're planning a meal, think about how you can bring in one or more of these vegetables, experiment with flavors, and make healthy eating something you actually look forward to. Don't forget to check out our next video for more easy recipes you'll love.